Hi there, welcome to Browsify. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to import and export products on Shopify easily. This guide is perfect if you're looking to bulk upload products or migrate your product data from another platform. Let's start with exporting your Shopify products. To do that, go to the Products section, then click on the Export button in the top right corner. You'll be given options for exporting your products as a CSV file. You can choose to export all products, selected products, or products by a specific filter. Now, let's move on to importing products. To do this, go to the Products section again and click on Import. You can import products using a CSV file that you've prepared or downloaded. Shopify has a CSV template that you can use for your product data, making this step much easier. If you're importing a CSV file for the first time, Shopify has a template that you can download to make sure your product data is formatted correctly. Make sure to include the correct column headers, such as product title, description, price, and inventory quantity. Once you've uploaded your CSV file, Shopify will show you a preview of your products. Check that everything looks good, especially the pricing, descriptions, and inventory levels before you hit the Import Products button. Once everything looks good, just click on Import Products to finish the process. Your products will be uploaded and ready to go. You can also make edits from the Product section if you need to make any adjustments. That's how you import and export products on Shopify. It's quick and easy once you know the steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our Shopify tutorials.